How are you? Today we are starting with some blocks tip. Today blocks we are starting with some blocks tip. Today blocks we are starting
So
with
let's
some blocks tip. Today
blocks
we are
chat.
starting
So
with
let's
some blocks tip. Today stop the lag. Okay guys, so should we choose pirates or marines? What do you say, chat? Let's go pirates, I guess. Okay, so here we are, and now let's see where it brings us. Q is for sprint. Okay, guys, so I have never played Blox Fruit first, so this is going to be my first Blox Fruit experience. Let's see how it goes, right? Okay, so we have a quest here of defeating 5 bandits. Let's see. One is combat here, and if you remember, last live stream, we actually had taken out one of these level 5 bandits out. So let's do this again. Oh, where did this go? Okay, this is getting slow. This is getting stuff really bad. Let's maybe combo him and... Wait, can we come over here? No way. No way, we are spawn camping already. Let's now bring him over here, and let's combo him both. Okay, we are getting it, but it doesn't really matter. Right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Now, how many did we have to kill? Quick tackle. Wait, what does it do again? I have to check it in a minute. No way, we trapped them there. No way. We have one W over here. Let's try this. Yeah. Okay, so that's what the tackle does. And the Q is for me. And we have something in the menu. Let's check it out, right? Stats. Oh, okay, guys. So, what do you say? Do we want a gun? Do we want a gun or sword? We could max our defense, like that one comic. We could. But is it worth it? What do you say, chat? I guess we could try with maybe Blox Fruit. Let's try that, right? Let's just give it a chance. Let's just max it out. Didn't we do this right now? Okay. Let's check the shop for a minute. Never mind. Wait. We have some miscellaneous something. Would you like to set your home point? Yes, sure. Why not? What are these? Blox Food Dealer. Wait, what? What? These one into no way. ZF. Okay, this is something. I don't even have the one. I don't even have the funding to buy half of this stuff. Let alone half. I have like nothing. Okay, we are getting to that. Let's see this. Identical. Identical skills to Cutlass. Not enough money, but let's see. And what else do we have? We are in this island right now. We have a boat. Okay. That's something. Boat dealer. Wait. If that's a boat dealer, this is a boat dealer, and this is a luxury boat dealer. What's the difference? Nah, don't want to check it right now. Let's see. Let's just maybe camp over here a bit and let's take this side. Right. Okay, we hit him later, hit him again, and now we tackle this guy, and we do this again, and now do that again, and now we hit, and we move, round him up, and now we make him follow us. Wait, do this stack. I wanna check if this stacks. No way. It stacks. You saw that, right? You guys saw that. Let me just upgrade my stats real quick. And let's increase melee. Because why not? Okay. Who is there? What's going on? Wait, what? What just happened over here? Okay, let's get a sword maybe? Yeah, that would be good. Let's get a katana. Right. Okay, so we now have a katana. Quietness and mastery is 20. Yeah, let's equip it. Let's try it out. Come here, bandit. You, this is good. This is good for starter, but still not that much, if you know what I mean. And we have stats right now. Let's check them out. Let's upgrade on the sword. Maybe. Wait, if the water is okay. Okay. Let's see where we can go. And what if we sprint right now? Now this is an impulsive idea, but I have an impulsive thought of just using the sprint button right now. Okay, it does nothing. Good. Should we check the shop out right now of luxury boots? Wait, what? I hear someone. I hear someone. Wait, what? Okay. Quite the marketplace. Okay. I hear stuff. I hear katanas going swish, swish, swish. If you know what I mean. But yeah. Wanted the Finato. Okay. What does he say? Okay. Oh, no way. These are the same. Okay. Looks like we have to grind a bit more before we take on stuff. Wait, what? Okay, so where would these guys be even? We have a weapons dealer. Okay, guys, slingshot, musket, or flintlock. It's okay. Flintlock is 10,500. uh, too many ice creams. Musket is 8,000 and slingshot 5,000. Yeah, I could do that maybe. Let's get that chest over here. I'm hearing someone getting beaten up right now. Like absolutely demolished. Let's see. Let's get a luxury boat, I guess. What do you guys suggest? Okay, nothing. Let's get the miracle. Oh. Who's the snoop? Wait, do we have a brigade? Hell yeah. One for me. And now... Wait, what? Okay, so I have to position it well. And here we set sail. No. Yo, wait for. Okay, we have someone right now trying to get on. What? Wait, what? Ah, level 20 to be with me. Great. Yo, wait. I see something red here. I see something red. You guys see it too, right? Now, let's just get this red thing. Wait, what? What? What even was that? No, I lost my katana. Okay, let's see this. Lost my precious little katana. Okay. So we just buy those every time, I guess. We'll find a way out, right? We do. No? No, I have to buy another. Why do I have to pay for all these boats every time? Fine, I gonna dinghy boat. Anything that floats the boat. And I'm level 9, so this is really slow. But it'll make do, I guess. What's this? Logo. Oh. This. No idea. I really have no idea on what these are. And I hear fighting, so let's hope for the best. Yeah. And what are these? Okay, what if I dash into this? I see some and we come ready. And we do this and this. We have mastery level E. So we do this, do this, and now we quick again, and spokesman, and we just say this toggle. Open your compass menu. No, open your compass menu. Okay, we'll see to that. Let's go over there. Mario way. Blox Fruits. Hell yeah, give me this. Hello, I'm Zionix. I sell random physical fruits to people once every 2 hours. Keep in mind, the higher your level is, the more it will cost. Okay, alright. Level 50. Level 50. Seriously? You're kidding me right now? Bro. Oh, fine. Wait, what? And we do this, and we do this, and where did it go? Okay, so we have to go up again. And being the natural monkey we are going to do this the faster way. Okay, give me the quest. Monkeys 6 for 800. Ooh, 2300 XP. That's a good hefty amount, I think. But let's check this. Defeat 8 gorillas. Didn't meet one. Price is nice. Go lucky. I'm level 10. Oh wait, I have to check the... Okay. Let's do this. I fell down. And where did it go? And we quickly comboed it. And we punch here, punch again, tap it, and do this, and do this. Let's go. And do this, and do it, and do this. And where did it go? And we punch again. Okay, we fell down. So what I understand is Lautimus are being hard across the sea. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. So I don't know about it. We do this, and we hit, this. We wait for a quick tackle, do this, and punch, twice, tackle. let's just increase our melee because we are doing good on that, right? Wait, we have a smoke bomber. Okay. What was that supposed to be? And we just jump across Roblox way and give me the new quest. And now we have 8 goblins. Wait, what? Where are these gorillas even supposed to be? Maybe here? What's this? Nothing. Those were monkeys. So where are the gorillas? I see none. Hey guys, if you see any, please leave a comment. I gonna look for them. In the meantime, yo, no, I see that. It's in the other island. Wait, my health goes down when I lose. Okay, run. Hell no, we ain't fighting right now. Wait, what? Bro, make my kills. Need to level up. And let's do this. And I'm losing my game right now. We have 2 gorillas down, which is, I don't know, good. Okay, we are getting there, and we do that, and we do that, and we do that. That. Okay, the problem I'm facing right now is that my mastery level, they are good, but the thing is okay, we are dying. My keybinds are a bit messed up. hit him. And now we quick tap kill him. Smoking. And now we quick tackle him back. This. And we do that. And we turn this up. There we go. Let's just increase our melee a bit. And hey, I say we that is awesome. And now run. And now we run. Okay, hell nah, hell nah. Okay. We played the old way. Okay, no. Just run. Okay. We escaped it. And this again. And do this again. And ground slam him and run and do this again. Ground slam him. Okay, we are. And we die. Bro's OP. But we'll be back, obviously. Now we need a quiz. But for that we need to level. Great. And let's get the gorilla quest. 2000. Straight in my pocket and let's go. Let's check our mastery level of it. Smoke liberation. Wait, what's smoke liberation? Someone make it daytime. Okay, gorilla here, and we don't want that. We head straight for the key. Heavy is the crown. Okay, guys. So one thing, first of all, I've actually composed a song this Saturday, and let's try out that, right? Let's try that. Let's just turn our volume off like that, and let me just go over and play it. Give me a minute. It took me some time, and it took me time, but I got it. Let's see. So if I go to YouTube Studio real quick and Uh, hey chat, any idea how to remove ice cream addiction? I have one. Okay, so this is the song. Wait. So now we can play it and now run. And now we're done. Because of that. And now we're done. And we escaped it. Great. And we go. We don't want any of that. Okay. We missed our shots. And missed our shot again. We have to eat. It's a must. And we run. And we attack it. And we run again. Let's be real. With a Gorilla King, you need to do Gorilla warfare. Right. And we survived it, and I'm lagging. Let's go. Let's just increase our melee max because we have no other job than that. Let's go. Okay guys, so how is this song? Do you love it? If you love it, I'll leave the link in the chat, and yeah, we could use that. I think I'll have to lower the sound a bit. It's hitting my head. Yeah, something like that would be good. So I'm leaving this in the chat, and I'll close this because I'm lagging a bit, I guess. Well, either way, let's enjoy the song of this game, right? I'll leave this in the chat, and There we go. And I'll just pin this for you guys to see. So, do we want to go into the main island or what? Oh, and guys, by the way, I'm planning on Minecraft trip tomorrow. It will be 100-day survival probably if I do it. Now I have no idea how to do it. I haven't played Minecraft before like that. But yeah, I'm up for the new experience and the new chest that just spawned. Wait, so let's see. And we are crashing again and again. Let's see. These ships are very, what do I say? Very slow. So let's see. Guys, do you see that? The orb. Yeah, that's the rating. That actually that's the rating that killed me last time. Wait, what is this? What is this? Oh. Nothing, I guess. Has no significance to me, so no idea. Okay, there is that, and there is that. Let's see. Okay, guys, so it's going to be 6:26 real quick, and what I say is we end this stream, but after checking this out, right? So we will set our home point here, and let's just go explore this area. Right. And our chest, we got 319 and nothing here, and we go right up here. Let's get combat ready, right? Oh. Okay, these print. I'm not finding something that prints. And you wait for. I think I just noticed the cheat. Eh? This is strong. This guy is strong. No way in hell we are going to do that again without leveling up. Okay, I have. Wait, what? Topic. No way, no way. Yes, I survived. Wait, but I'm standing over a campfire. How the hell am I not burning? You got something? Yes, you got something. Let's raid all these houses. Hey, wait, why do I see that? Nope, nope, and nothing here. Okay, you know how I always say nope, and we are doing that. Our personal grudges with me. And okay. Just run. Anything here? Nope. What? This snowband, these snowband did actually kill me, along with the other. Bounty hunt. Wait, these are bounty hunt? And mine is 1400. Nothing much, nothing less. Let's just raid these houses a bit and let's just pause our gameplay. And I see nothing. Okay, how do I help this guy? Let's see. Wait, what is this? 97. What? I don't even have one Roberts on me. What is this guy talking about? Okay. Snowman, snow bandit. Wait, did I get 80 right now? I'm killing one of these snow bandits and then I'm logging out. And I'm doing this only by combat. Good thing I can respawn. Okay, never mind that. I'm not going to attack him, but I guess more raiding. And into this and into that. Okay, so I do 52 damage like that and 24 by hand. And okay, I need a sword. Okay, we are dying. Wait, no, he's level 90. Hell yeah, I'm coming back. There ain't no way I'm going. What is this? Wait, what? No money. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are going to end the stream right here. And what do you say? Do we take air jump or a flash step? I think the. Hold on, let me see again. I think flash step would be good. But what do you guys say? Let me down in the. Let me know it down in the comments. Okay. So see you guys on tomorrow at the same time, and I'll notify you. Please listen to the song if you can, and thanks a lot. Goodbye.